This video will show you how to set up OK Alone and Siri for iPhones running iOS 14. To get started, you first need to make sure you have Siri turned on. So to do that, go to your settings, scroll down to Siri and search, and make sure Siri is turned on. If you see the button, click Enable Siri. Then scroll down and just check all the toggles are on, so they're showing green. You can also then scroll down to OK Alone, which should be installed, and check all the toggles are green from that, including Learn from this app. That's the most important setting. Once Siri is set up, open OK Alone and start a shift. OK Alone will now suggest some shortcuts which Siri can use to manage your OK Alone status. Now we can set up OK Alone to use the shortcuts. To do this, open up the Shortcuts app and on the bottom bar, choose Gallery. You will now see that the Shortcuts app has suggested some shortcuts from your app. Click See All, scroll down to the OK Alone section and click See All again. You will now see the 4 shortcuts you can use to manage OK Alone using your voice. First, we'll set up the Start Shift shortcut. We want this to work when we say the words Start Shift. We'll now go through and set up the remaining 3 shortcuts. To use the Check-in shortcut, we'll say Check In. To use the Help one, we'll say Help. And for the End Shift one, we'll just say End Shift. Okay, we've now got the 4 Siri shortcuts created. You'll be able to see them on the My Shortcuts section. So let's test them out. Okay, we've got the OK Alone app running and the shortcuts set up. So let's check in. We'll say, Hey Siri, check in. Now the OK Alone app will open and you'll be checked in. You can now easily get help by using Siri. So let's say, Hey Siri, help. OK Alone will open and a help request will be sent. That's how you set up Siri voice shortcuts for OK Alone. You can also set up quick to access widget buttons for managing your OK Alone status. Scroll right on your phone to bring up the widgets area and click the edit button. Now search for shortcuts and in the option that appears, there should be a shortcut option for say End Shift. Select this button, choose the required shortcut, for example Help, and click Save. You now have an easy to access shortcut button for getting help on your phone without having to directly open the OK Alone app. We can also use this same method to add all 4 buttons to the widgets area. To do this, open up the edit widgets, search for shortcuts and select the 4 button option, which includes all 4 shortcuts. You can now easily update your status by using one of these widget buttons. So for example, let's get help. We'll click the button, the OK Alone app will open and a help request will be sent. I hope you found this video useful for setting up Siri shortcuts on iOS 14.